you pee a little or a lot when you sneeze or laugh, if sex is uncomfortable, if you're worried about prolapse symptoms, or if you just don't feel quite right down there. You need to build your foundations first. You see, we need to back up a step before we exercise or strengthen the muscles of our abdomen or undercarriage. We need to find them first. We need to reconnect with parts of our body we have fallen out of love with. As well as contracting muscles, there is a vital release phase and a breathing connection to understand, as well as how to actually apply this new ninjery to your everyday life and movements. I'm going to show you how.